Good morning, everyone, and welcome to this first webinar of HYDEA project. Today, we are going to talk about hydrogen production for Atlantic area decarbonization ports. My name is Yarima Torreiro, and I am the technical project manager of HYDEA project, and here with me is Sonia Pascual, the financial project manager of HYDEA project. Well, HYDEA, the title of the project is Boosting the Hydrogen Transition in the Atlantic Area Ports. This project is funded by the European Regional Development Fund through the Interreg Atlantic Area. Well, we belong to Energy Lab, a technological center located in Vigo. So inside the project, we are going to have different webinars about different stages of the hydrogen value chain. Today, as I mentioned before, we are going to talk about hydrogen production, but we are going to have webinars about the storage, transport, and final uses. Well, here you can see the table of contents of my presentation, HYDEA context and the objective, HYDEA key figures, HYDEA work structure, and HYDEA main expected outputs. Well, this project arises in the context of several strategies and policies. The most important are those that you can see in this slide. First of all, the European Union Green Deal that aims to reduce the carbon emissions by a 50% in 2030 in comparison with 1990. Then we have also the blue economy that wants to reduce the carbon footprint by becoming a testbed for energy solutions. In this way, ports are in a privileged position. Then also the marine strategy that refers to the protection of the marine environment, and the most important thing will be the hydrogen, the fossil fuel substitution by hydrogen, both in the port infrastructure and also in the maritime transport. And finally, the hydrogen strategy that wants to eradicate the pollution by substituting the fossil fuels by hydrogen in the energy system that is there responsible of more than the 75% of the carbon emissions. Well, in this context, the objective of HYDEA project is to develop, evaluate, and promote different hydrogen technologies combined with different renewable energies for the decarbonization of Atlantic area ports. Well, here you can see the key figures of HYDEA project. The project is led by Energy Lab. It has a budget of more than 3 million euros. It has a duration of 3 years from 2023 to 2026. We are 11 partners, companies, ports, research centers, and universities, and 11 ports are involved are partners and associated partners. All the partners are distributed in 4 countries of the Atlantic area. Here you can see in Ireland the University NUI, that is the College of Science and Engineering. Then we also have in Ireland Hive, that is a company specialized in hydrogen consulting. In France, the Port of Brest, and also the Port of Brest, FEM, and also EODEF, that is a company specialized in industrial solutions for achieve a sustainable energy system. In Spain, we have Energy Lab, the Port of Vigo, the Port of Seville, and also EVO, a company specialized in zero emissions mobility. And finally, in Portugal, we have the administration of ports of Douro, Leixões, and Viana do Castelo, and the University of Porto with the departments of civil and chemical engineering. Well, here you can see the work structure of HYDEA project. Inside the circle, you can see the non-technical work packages, and outside the technical work packages. Next to every work package, you can see the partner that leads that work package. In the work package 1, project coordination, the leader is Energy Lab, and the objective of the work package is to ensure that a proper communication among different partners and activities is maintained in order to achieve the overall objectives of the project. In the work package 2, communication and dissemination, FEM is the leader, and the objective of the work package is to maximize the impacts of the project. In order to do so, we are creating webinars, workshops, open days, newsletter, etc. We have created a LinkedIn group, a video of the project, and also a website. At the end of my presentation, I will show you the different links. In the work package 3, capitalization, the leader is the Port of Vigo, and the objective is to ensure that the project outputs will be used after the project lifetime. We are creating the HYDEA community that is expected to be a forum with different experts all along the hydrogen value chains, and it's expected to be a forum for shared experience, best practices, problems, etc. In this work package, we will also create action plans for ports decarbonization and also a roadmap for hydrogen implementation in ports. Outside the circle, as I mentioned, we have the technical work packages. The work package 4, led by Uporto, is current scenario analysis and opportunities in HYDEA ports and Atlantic area. In this case, the objective is to approach and plan different strategies at both individual and global level, Atlantic area scope, that will pave the way for future challenges within hydrogen economy in ports. So in order to do so, we have searched different hydrogen technologies, and we have selected those that could be applied in ports. In parallel, we are looking for the bottlenecks of those technologies, and also we are having interviews with the different ports in order to know their energetic needs to apply that hydrogen technologies. In the case of the work package 5, led by FEM, the title of the work package is Creation of Case Studies, Business Models, and Decision Support Tool. In this case, the objective is to define different use cases in ports and determine how can be the contribution of renewable energies to balance the global energy system in each country, and also to know the possibilities of industrial providers to satisfy port requirements, and also the political commitment through ports decarbonization. In this work package, we will also create a decision support tool that will be a tool that will assist different port operators to know if a determinate hydrogen technology could be deployed in a determinate scenario. Finally, the work package 6, led by Energy Lab, is development of solutions and pilots of hydrogen-based technologies, and the objective is to prove that ports can assess a great variety of infrastructure assessed based on hydrogen. In order to do so, we are developing different pilot actions, 3 in Spain. In Spain, we have green methanol production through CO2 hydrogenation, led by Energy Lab and tested in the Port of Vigo. We have also fuel cell vehicle proofs, also developed by Energy Lab and tested in Port of Vigo. And we have a fuel cell for port logistics that will be developed by Evo and tested in the Port of Seville. In the case of Portugal, we have 2 pilot actions, the development of a CO2 capture membrane, and also the green methanol production. Both of them developed by the University of Porto and tested in the port of Leixões. In the case of Ireland, we have a mobile refueling system developed by Hive and developed in the port of Galway. And finally, in France, we have a fuel cell hydrogen generator developed by EODEF and tested in the port of Brest. So, which are the main expected outputs of this project? Reliable information about port decarbonization, decision-making tools that help to port operators to know the different opportunities joined to hydrogen technologies, innovative solutions based on hydrogen, action plans and roadmaps for port decarbonization in base or with the development of hydrogen technologies combined with renewable energies, and joint discussion among different experts in the different stages of the hydrogen value chains. Well, here you have the different links that I mentioned before, the web page of the project, the LinkedIn group, and also the video. And we will have the turn of questions at the end of this webinar. So thank you, everyone. Here you have my email for if you have any doubt, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you so much.